Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in NX software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select new model, units is millimeter. Here if you want you can change the name and location. Okay. Select extrude, select the plane, create center rectangle. The base dimension is 160 by 85, thickness is 26 mm. Center rectangle 85, 165. Finish sketch, extrude up to 26 mm. Next select extrude again, select the same plane, create center rectangle again 80 by 55 and 30 by 50. Enter 80 0 enter. Create one more rectangle again. This is 30 50. Okay, so finish sketch, extrude. Here select unite 26 plus 25 mm. Okay, next there is a 15 mm thickness rib. For that select rib, select the plane, which plane you want you can select here, select line, finish sketch. Rib thickness is 15 mm, symmetric. Okay, we can mirror this rib. Select rib, go to more, mirror feature, select the center plane. Next there is a one cutout. Cutout dimension is 10 by 18. From the side dimensions 15 and 16. Select extrude, select this surface, create one 2-point rectangle, give the dimensions 10 18, this dimension is 15 and this dimension is 16. So that's it, finish sketch. Here select subtract, reverse the direction. Here you can select until next. So we can mirror this cutout. Select extrude, go to more, mirror. Here select the middle plane. Okay, next select both extrude and mirror, go to mirror feature, select the center plane. Okay, so now we can assign the material. Go to more, tools, material, assign material. Here you can see there are all the standard materials. You can assign as per your requirements. I will go with aluminum 6061. This is the standard material. Select entire body. Okay, next we can assign the color. Go to view, edit, object display, select the body, color. So we can assign the color here, like this we can assign. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session. And also I am requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.